Good morning, Math 8. It's Monday, May 11th, 2020. If you did not get your quick check number 4 into me on Friday, make sure you get it into me today. Okay, so topic is multiplying by binomials. So why don't you get your notebook set up and ready to go? Pause and do that. All right, you're back. All right, I want you to try number 1. We did this last week, and this is what your quick check was on. Just to quickly review it, pause and do that now. Okay, you're back. So we're going to put in the ones here and ones here. And let's distribute. So you multiply your coefficients. 2 times 3 is 6, and you're adding your exponents. So 1 plus 2 is 3. That would be x to the third. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So that's y to the fifth. That's that one. Then you're going to go out here. You do 2 times 7. That's negative 14. And then you're going to put your x. 1 plus 1 is 2, so that would be x squared. And 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's y squared. And then you're bringing this one down because it wasn't in the parentheses. Okay, and now you're going to combine like terms if they have identical recipes. That means the variable and the exponent matches. There's none like this one. But look at these two, x squared, y squared, they match completely. So you circle negative 14x squared, y squared, and positive 5. Remember, nothing when you add. So you do that one. Negatives win here by 9. Okay, and then that would be your final answer. This is a binomial. And now we're going to just write the degree. So pause and write the degree now. Okay, so your degree is either 8 or 4. When they're clustered, you add them, so that's 8 or 4. So the degree is 8. Okay, now let's look at number 2. Number 2 are 2 binomials. See how this has 2 terms, and this has 2 terms. They're 2 binomials. So what you're going to do is you're going to pretend, I'm actually going to rip off a little piece of paper, and you're going to pretend that that's not there. We're going to cover up the 4. All right, we're going to pretend the 4 is not there. We're going to distribute the x to each of these just like you just did. So you do one at a time. This is kind of, I'm going to turn it this way. Okay, so pretend that 4 is not there. You could use your finger if you want. And you're going to put your ones in, because don't forget you have to add the exponents. Put in your ones, and you're going to distribute just like you did here and here. You can do those first. This is called double distributing. You have to distribute 2 of them. So x1 times x1, you add your exponents. That would be x squared. X times 3, there's nothing to add. You just attach them almost like they're glue. Just write the coefficient first, so 3x. All right, and then you're going to do the 4 next. All right, you're going to do the 4. So you're going to distribute the 4. You distribute it here and here. So 4 times x is 4x. You keep adding on. And 4 times 3 is 12. And now you combine like terms. There's no other squareds. The 2 middle match. So you add the 3x and the 4x. And that would be x squared plus 7x plus 12. And that would be your final answer. Degree is 2 there. We're not going to write it, but degree is 2. It's a trinomial. Okay, I'll take my little piece of paper down to number 3. All right. So why don't you either use your finger or rip off a little piece of paper and cover up that 5. So you just cover up the second thing in that binomial so you can distribute the first one. So you're going to distribute x first. It's called double distributing. The x goes first. When you're done distributing the x, you're going to distribute the 5, and then you're going to combine like terms. Okay, so let's put in our ones, and I want you to pause it and just distribute here and here. Pause and do that now. Okay, you're back. So you're doing the x times the x. That gives you x squared. And the x times the 2. That that gives you 2x. Okay, you're done with the first one. Now slide it over and do the next one. So you're going to do the 5 times the x and the 5 times the 2. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 2 is 10. All right, now you're going to combine like terms. You combine the two middle terms, and that gives you 7x plus 10, and that's your final answer. All right, it's a little tricky. We'll be doing this all week. All right, so make sure you try your classwork. If you get confused, you put this video back on and you rewind and you look at it to help you. All right, have a great day.